Now think about your life right now and how it's going for you. I mean, how's it going? Is it going well? Is it going bad? I mean, are you working all the time? Are you not having any fun? Are you missing out? Is there passion in your life, or are you just going through the motions?
And I constantly get hate. But up inside the game, the hypocrisy is raised. We went from reggae music to broccoli being played. Your Pac would be disgraced if he knew the music changed. Is it me, or is it just a phony? Following the orders of what the system has told me. Low-key, I don't wanna live life lonely, but every girl fucked me over with one of my homies. Man, so what you know about anxiety? Popping pills to stop the feels and struggle with it quietly. How am I supposed to raise a child in this society, knowing damn well he's gonna toss away sobriety? Cause I did, and shit, I'm only 17. Thought of myself as nothing but seen happiness and guaranteed. Living a life that isn't fair, bear with the misery. Y'all don't know the half of what depression really did to me. Staying up at night, wondering if I was good enough. They say I'm the bomb, if it's true, then I wouldn't erupt. Obviously not, cause I stopped where I shouldn't have. Honestly, I'm not a god, the problem is we look above. But what if God shared the earth with the humans, and seen every tactic or method that we're abusing, and heard every lyric or melody in our music, to learn more about the human brain of what we're losing? They always said that Satan had a lot of tricks, so what if Satan's God and he taught us how to live? Yo,
that would mean the right is wrong, and all along we've
been praising the wrong God, then thrown in the hell's pit, so shit. Yo, that's my high mind talking. Dead man walking, living life while in the coffin. I never sell out just to make a fucking profit, cause auto-tune rappers sounded like the Stephen Hawking. I got a statement that is kinda hypothetical. The grind is good, but how you rhyme's pathetic. Yo, I don't get it, but how you even made it this far, while mumbling with pitch correction, never spitting a bar. Yo, I'm a young rapper with the mind of his own, so fuck a label, I can do it better when I'm alone. Cause if I sign, then I turn my fucking passion to stone. I don't need a team of agents for my rapping to grow. It's like all that I've known is vanished into the air, without dealing with pain through all my lyrics compared to all the real fucking tragedies that happened this year. So find your passion instead of smoking and sipping a beer.